Well, here's a new one. Good evening, YouTubers. I've kind of been busy all day. I got finished at 3 o'clock and thought I'd go in and try and edit some of the videos because I've been taking them all day long. I couldn't use one single goddamn clip. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I just cannot operate an editing suite. Just doing my absolute tree in. I've ended up just deleting everything in anger. But the camera's working in here. My patchwork quilt of second-hand steel is looking like that. So let's take this epoxy torch with me because we're going to need that. So step away from the patchwork. I've had dust clouds of filler going everywhere, all sorts. So yeah, there it is. It's like 1.5 mil or something stupid like that. It's stronger than the rest of the car. So that lot has been the mission for today. And I suppose, because I've deleted everything else, there's nothing more to add really. Apart from the fact that I've been had over on eBay, as well as had over by ex-girlfriends. What else has gone wrong? Well, I was supposed to go on a big bike ride today, but I decided, seeing I'm making an absolute hash of everything, that I'd better stay away from high-speed motorcycles today or I'd end up getting killed. So I don't really want to end up getting killed. I did try to cut my arm off yesterday. That bad boy smarts a bit. So there you go. And I suppose for all you normal people, it's Christmas. So happy Christmas, normal people. I love a mince pie. Or custard even. But we're out here in the third world, so we can't have any of that. For me, it's just another day. So see you on another day. Good evening.